Hello guys, I'm Mechanic Bright. This one Explorer 2011 and over higher mileage, 270 kilometers on it. I found last Rattling Noise out of thyroid and then this both stabilizer link, even stabilizer bracket bushing, too much loose, and it has rattling and clunk all the time while driving. And also I found the rear suspension component also loose and worn out. Outer knuckle side bushing worn out and then also slightly loose. It was it is the one pieces of knuckle, and also upper control arm scale block bushings worn out. Today I'm gonna show how to replace front side. It's a common rattling noise, stabilizer links and bushing. And the bushing bracket bolt through the inside subframe, and it lasts lasting because of winter ice melt chemical cost. So I try to lose this one, but it's feeling stuck and almost broken. And I just using the mini induction heating system. So you guys can heating up bolt and bolt case, subframe case, and over 1 minute, and it has over 700, sometimes 1000 Celsius degree temperature, and goes up the temperature, it can be loose more easy. If you falsely try to lose the broken bolt, it's much serious problem. You need to remove it or drop the subframe. So once heating up the nut and then spray the lubricate on thread, and then now it's much more lubricate on the thread, it's much easy to remove bracket bolt. So I remove the backside bolt, and then now it can much easier lose bolt, and then you guys can see how much it bolt lost it and seized it inside the subframe thread. I so much struggle on the other side, but this one is left hand side, and now I got the bolt, and then you guys see that lost and then almost damaged thread. The glass moisture, and then inside the subframe also winter ice melt chemical caused much lasting and seized together. So now front side bolt also heating up this induction, and then heating up around 1 minute, over 1 minute. It goes up the temperature much faster, higher, 700 degrees or sometimes 1000 degrees Celsius. And also same way, after heating up the bolt and spray lubricate on the thread, and then drop down the temperature and then lubricate on the thread, much easier. And then front side, it block the power steering control module. You guys can use universal joint 1-inch extension bar, and then lose the keep the loose and almost out of the bracket. So this one so hardly get into my hand. It's so narrow, left hand front side, because it's block steering gear. It's also same as the previous shown bolt. It's almost lost and broken. So I get the bracket, and I found a stabilizer bar bushing that looks like plastic, but it was replaced already. Fourth one, genuine part, not a plastic kinda. There's so much hardened and so much bigger than before. And I removed away the bracket, and I removed the bottom side of the rubber bushing. It has the two pieces. So it's aftermarket. Look at that, it's aftermarket one, and I do a fold one stabilizer bushing. There's a whole diameter, so much way out and worn out that. So that's why it's not allowed to rattling clunk under the suspension when you're driving, even uneven road, even road and a slightly bumpy road is make louder clunking and rattling noise. I found that it has projection. Right paint dot is right hand side and yellow is left hand. I used a new bolt and then evenly tighten the 4 bolt, right hand left hand side evenly tight, and then torque the 41 foot-pound. So left side yellow, right hand side red. So it's part number bolt, rocket bolt. So now I'm showing stabilizer link. A stabilizer is link much easier than sometimes, but this one is too much lost. Even stabilizer inside outer side thread. When you change this stabilizer links and then clean the thread as much as you can and then lubricate on the thread and then hold the vice grip and then inside the stabilizer bushing case, hold the bushing case and then you try using the wrench, but this one is never moved. So I heating up induction mini ductile this one again, heating up this nut and melting inside the plastic thread locker. So it was moving this side, bottom side, right hand bottom, and I separated from the stabilizer bar. And then top side, I same way heating up 2 or 3 times. I tried, it doesn't move, and then slightly move it stop. I finally cut it off. It's much easier and then save time. And then left hand side is much easier. I remove that. Once heating up and then sometimes thread and then hold the vice grip, and you can use the impact. It's much easier to remove that. And when you tight, it's the same way. Hold the vice grip and then tighten the 21mm wrench using the 21mm wrench. Left hand side much easier. Hold the vice grip and then loose all the nuts. I remove the left hand side stabilizer rings and then I replace both stabilizer bar rings and tighten torque 111 foot-pound both sides up and down. So now let's do stabilizer on it. And then now quick summary: when you remove the stabilizer, any vehicle, any side vehicle, clean the thread and hold the case and using the impact. Sometimes still seized and lasting too much, and it can be separate, and then that's problems you can cut it off is much easier, faster and simple. Thank you for watching. And also rear suspension job, and then the old Explorer last problem, bushing is worn out, and then sometimes brake sensors seized. This one is the scale block bushing worn out. You guys can see that it has the direction.